can.
Okay. You have to consider this, that to build the structure, now there is a video, to build the structure of a single house, 3 people, it takes 3 days.
3 days only.
To finish completely the house, so with everything, you have just to give the key to the customer, it takes 60 days.
That means you manufacture the full house, then you transfer it?
Yeah, we can transfer only the structural part or the whole house, as the customer wants.
Okay.
We can just install the structure or finish it. For the structure, it takes 3 days. For the entire house, 60 days.
60 days, okay.
For a multi-story, it's almost the same. To build the structure, for example, for a six stories, it takes, in 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you have installed all the structure, and then with other 4 months, but in 5 months, you have finished the multi-story. 6 months, completely. The same for the schools. Here in Italy, this technology is very used for schools, and of course, so speed is one of the main points.
Have you done any projects in this area, this region?
No, this is our first time, and because this technology started 10 years ago in Europe, it developed in the south of Europe. In 2012, it started in UK. Last year, it started in US.
I see.
Because
what is the name of
the material? The name is XLAM or CLT.
Okay.
CLT is cross-laminated timber. You see, here you see how it works.
And you do the manufacture where? In which country?
In Italy.
Italy.
There are several manufacturers. We are the most important in Italy.
Okay. And the wood itself, it's treated?
No, it's not necessary. It's heated. So it has a 12% of moisture, only the 12% of humidity inside. But you don't need it to treat it.
But in our area, the temperature will reach high. Then also it's dry weather. It's not.
There is no problem. The point is that you have to do the installation the proper way. So the wood has always to be covered. So it has to be covered from the outside with some insulation system. Can be insulation, can be a ventilated facade, can be whatever, but it has to be covered, and it has to be covered in the inside. In the inside, you do a substructure with the cable for the services, and then you put plasterboard or gypsum.
This one you are doing inside or in the factory?
Usually in the construction site.
On the construction site, okay.
Usually we prepare the panels, we install the panels, and then on the construction site we finish the outdoor and we finish the indoor.
Okay.
But it's very, very fast to finish outside.
And all other accessories like doors and it will be included?
Yeah, we can deliver everything. If needed, we can deliver everything.
Okay.
We can send only the structure or everything. It depends on the customer, because we have some customers in Europe that are constructors themselves. So from us they buy just the panels, and then they finish the house, the building from.
How do you treat the toilets for water and toilets?
Oh, it's just enough to put them. There is a special membrane that you put on the back. And that's it.
That's it.
No problem.
And who do the design? I can give you my design, or you do the design?
No. Both. Usually we receive the architectural project from the architect or the customer that chooses his architect. We do the engineering, so we do the engineering for the structure and the services. But we do have also our architects. But usually the 90% of the time our customer will choose their own architect.
Okay, what is the maximum span for the roof?
For the roof,
maximum span, clear area.
Okay. Consider that there is something to say before, then I answer. You don't have to think to the CLT as that. It's not mandatory to use the CLT everywhere for everything. We usually mix technologies, so we use CLT TNT, we use glue lamp, we use steel. So we mix depending on the project.
I see.
The standard span for roofs is 6 meters.
6 meters.
Up to 6 meters, 7 meters,
Yeah.
it's fine.
Okay, for
Then-
houses it's enough.
Yeah, usually it's more than enough. I said when we do commercial,
Yeah, commercial is enough.
it's different. So we don't use the CLT for the roof, but we use beams or steel or glue lamp or whatever. So it depends project to project. But this solution has the great advantage of being fast, precise, very precise, easy to install. And then there is the big argument in Europe now that is sustainability. Because this is completely renewable material.
Yes.
It's a CO2 absorber. So this is a completely lead technology.
And it's all fire resistant
For the fire,
or fire rated, fire rated.
no. It has passed this technology has passed all the tests against fire because it burns. Okay. Wood burns,
Yeah.
but it burns in a very good way because we've done some tests in Japan. Okay, for the fire, now I will show you. L'avevo appoggiato qua, ma